This book is going to change how you think or wreck your brain entirely. I mean, it really depends. So, hi there, nerds. I'm Nibir, your weird philosopher, and I have a book in my hand. I'm not going to tell you its name or show you its cover because I gotta keep the suspense up so that I get my watch time, So, stay tuned till the end. I read this book around 1.5 something years ago, and it was very nice, very nice, very brutal, and amazing. So, why should you read this book? Let's cut to the chase, right? Number one, you'll see how you think and how badly you do it most of the time. Second, the topics discussed in this book are cornerstones in fields like rationality, cognitive science, decision making, economics, and so on. And third, you will see patterns and fallacies everywhere, and your friends might start calling you a wizard or avoid you entirely. As I said, it really depends. Now, what's in this book? The first part tells you all about the two modes of our brain. One is lazy but smart, like Gandalf or something like that. But the second one is fast and snappy but acts like a dumb Scooby-Doo. So, the brain flips between these two modes, making you either a chill-ass Gandalf or a Scooby-Doo on cocaine. It really depends. So, next part tells you all about how dumb fucking mistakes you do on autopilot. But hey, guess what? It's not entirely your fault, and you'll see why. And is there something else? Oh yeah. You'll learn why humans suck at probability and why statistics have more aura than your puny little gut feelings. Overall, this book should teach you why, and a bit of how you should think better. So, you still here? Haven't rage quit the video yet? Good. Because the moment you've been waiting is here. This book is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Amazing book. Amazing book. 5 out of 5, definitely. So I'm going to read a couple of blurbs here from the backside, and you'll see. It says, buy it fast, read it slowly. It will change how you think. By Richard Thaler, author of Nudge. The second one, a major intellectual event, a crucial pivot point in the way we see ourselves, by the New York Times. So yeah, go read it, nerds. And if it doesn't make your head explode, then maybe you didn't have much there to begin with. Just saying. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next one, folks. Stay frosty.